everybody, it's Heather Ludlow with American Dream TV, and today we're in Plainfield, Indiana, which is about 20-25 minutes west of downtown Indianapolis. We're at the Thomas Little House, and we're going to meet with the man who is responsible for restoring this Queen Anne beauty. Let's go check it out. Completed in 1891, this stunning Queen Anne style Victorian is known for its iconic turret, wraparound porch, and intricate craftsmanship that reflects the elegance of the late 19th century. In recent years, the home faced demolition after being purchased in 2017 by Hendricks Regional Health. When those plans were announced, the community spoke up, and because of that passion for preservation, a new path forward was created. In 2024, the home was purchased by lifelong Hendricks County resident James Wheeler and his partner Rachael, who stepped forward to save this historic structure. Jim and Rachael now own both the home and the land it sits on, and are restoring it at their own expense with the goal of bringing it back to life as their personal residence. The Town of Plainfield and Hendricks Regional Health partnered closely with Jim and Rachael throughout the process, helping make the relocation and preservation of the home possible. Today, the Thomas Little House stands not just as a beautiful piece of architecture, but as a powerful example of what can happen when private citizens, a town, and community partners come together to honor the past while thoughtfully planning for the future. Jim and Rachael, what initially drew you to the Thomas Little House?
It's a landmark that everybody has seen. If you lived in Hendricks County, you're fairly knowledgeable of this house. But the architecture alone is probably what drew me more than anything. Town of Plainfield called me up asked me what I thought about it. And I said, if it's about saving the house, then we're in.
What does it mean to you guys to be stewards of such an incredible property?
It means a lot to us. We've really enjoyed it.
The people that come by and the support from the community, absolutely. It's been great. It's been a lot. I mean, obviously you've been through redoing stuff, and some days are considerably better than other days.
That's correct.
This year I'm trying to keep everything as original as possible. It really is neat. Some days you'll make a yard. Some days you'll make an inch. But as long as we're going towards the goal, we're getting there.
Labor of love, I guess you could say.
That's exactly what I was getting ready to say. It seems like it's just been such a labor of love for you two.
I didn't realize when I initially thought it had only been vacant for 7 years, but it actually had been vacant for 17.
17?
Yeah, since 2007. But I mean, there was 1950s carpet. Just a normal, if you've ever been in an old house that had been abandoned pretty much, then you find stuff like that. It's been a great process. I'm very proud of the way that it looks and that it looked originally. And that's what we're trying to, the essence of, and obviously, there would have been wallpaper in every room. The majority of these rooms never seen paint. We stayed with Victorian colors. We kept the floors original.
And you kept the floors original, which is amazing. Jim, Rachael, thank you so much for giving me this awesome tour of this amazing, amazing home. I've admired it for so long, and to be able to walk through it and see what you guys have done has just been absolutely amazing. Made my day. Thank you guys for preserving it, keeping it here, and giving it a new life. It's so important. So just steps from the Thomas Little House is one of 2 Hendricks County locations for Cabin Coffee. We're going to stop in, grab some lunch, and try to speak with the owner. Let's go. Tucked right here in the heart of Plainfield is a place that feels like a warm hug in coffee form, Cabin Coffee Company. Cabin Coffee Company was founded on a simple idea: create a cozy, welcoming space where people can slow down, connect, and enjoy really great coffee. The company started in the Midwest and has grown to multiple locations, but no matter where you visit, that small town, cabin in the woods feel never goes away. Locally owned and operated, the Plainfield location has quickly become a favorite gathering spot. Whether you're meeting friends, grabbing a quick cup on the way to work, or settling in for a quiet moment to yourself. They're known for their rich, smooth coffee, specialty drinks, and seasonal favorites, plus fresh pastries and cinnamon rolls that are hard to resist. It's the kind of place where you're greeted with a smile and encouraged to stay a while. So I'm here with Stephanie Yant, one of the owners of Cabin Coffee in Plainfield. Stephanie, thanks so much for joining us today. So what made you want to be a part of the franchise?
Ever since I was a teenager, I wanted to own my own restaurant, searching for the right thing. It's not easy financially to start anything. It's not easy to find the right fit. We found Cabin Coffee in Breckenridge, Colorado, fell in love with it, came back to visit family when we were still living out there and told them about it. From there, we decided to move back home and start one in Avon. And so it was a couple of years still of a process, but that's the short story.
What made you decide on Plainfield as a second location?
You know, we love Hendricks County. Plainfield's that other town that we just know and love, and we just thought they needed it.
So if somebody were to walk into Cabin Coffee for the first time, how do you hope that they feel when they leave?
Like family. I love working in our stores, and so many of the customers, usually I know at least half the customers that walk in the door, and if I don't, then
You're going to get to know
I'm going to get to know them. We try as much as we can to pass that along to all of our baristas.
Well, thank you so much for taking a few minutes and kind of telling us about your business and why you decided to come to Plainfield. Thank you. History, heart, and a really good cup of coffee. Thanks for watching this episode of the American Dream TV.